Day number 18. Day number 18. Y'all ready? Let's do this one right here. He's got Santa. Santa's on him. Oh, this is a long one. Okay, iron-on quilt labels. I saw these and I thought this would be the neatest thing. I do not have them. They come in a book. I always put a label on your quilts with the date, when it was made, if it was a gift, who it was made for, who it was made by, because quilts tell a story. They tell a story of our life a lot of times. I know they used to, because you used old clothes in them. Grandmas used to take old shirts and things and cut them up and make quilt blocks. And they told a story. The quilts told stories of this was Granddaddy's shirt, this was Uncle so-and-so's shirt, or this was Aunt Bessie's nightgown, or whatever, because they used the fabric that they had, and that happened to be old clothes that maybe were ripped or stained and they could no longer wear them, so they used the fabric to make quilts to stay warm with. So always label your quilts. And I found 2 or 3 books on Amazon that were, this says Book of 100 for around $15. Quilt labels. And you iron them on. I'm assuming that it's, you'd iron it on a piece of fabric. It's like an iron-on transfer that won't wash off. I'm assuming that that's probably what that means. But for around $15, you get 100. If you're like me, you probably won't make 100 quilts in your lifetime, although some of you may. I won't, but some of you may. I'd like to think I could make 100 quilts in my lifetime, but probably won't. So come back tomorrow for day number 19.